So today I decided to make a really quick and easy make breakfast with me, which is also toddler approved because my 4-year-old and 1-year-old loved this breakfast. I was surprisingly shocked. They ate all of their food. Either they were super hungry or they really enjoyed it, but I'm gonna go with they probably just really enjoyed it. So today I am just cleaning up this half of my stove because it was like really dirty. This is like the only side I really cook on, so I decided to just clean this really fast before I decided to make another mess. And today we are going to make ground turkey sausage omelet with some tomatoes that I grew from my garden and some onions as well. And then I'm going to pair it with a side of grits. I was going to make like cheesy grits, but then I would have to shred the cheese. I didn't feel like doing all that, so I just decided to make some grits. And I'm going to make this new pumpkin cold foam. Y'all, it's over. Okay, if y'all want to know how I made the pumpkin cold foam that tastes pretty much better than Starbucks, then you have to watch my story because I made it last night and it was so bomb. So I made that for myself to go with the breakfast, and then I made my kids chocolate milk or with almond milk or oat milk on the side for them. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and just continue to keep on watching, and don't forget to press the subscribe button.